What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Growing Organic. And this is a series called the Survival Gardening Series. And I'm going to go through some survival techniques for gardening if you're on a budget. We're here in San Diego at a recycling area. You can see there's giant tractors and stuff. They take green waste. You can see straight in front of me, there's a bunch of people unloading. I'm on a budget as well. I don't want to spend all my money on gardening supplies. So I'm just going to take some buckets. And this compost is made out of a combination of all the green waste and mixed with a smaller amount of food scraps they get from restaurants around San Diego. So get yourself some buckets, and we're going to fill up quite a bit of these buckets of the compost. It's actually still hot, so this is hot composting. In the middle of this pile, it's probably 120, 150 degrees. It's hot right here. It's about 100 degrees. So that means it's breaking down all that organic matter and turning it into this black, rich compost. Okay, I think that we're good now. Let's get the mulch and then we'll continue along.
Now hold it right there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? This little truck's not going to be able to take the load. I think this guy got a little bit more than he bargained for this time. He's going to be digging himself out a long time.
So I kind of prefer just using a shovel. And then when I take this home, it's a lot easier to unload out of your truck because I can just take this bucket and just go dump it around. And then I can have these trash cans. I can slide these around or put them on wheels and with my mulch. So you don't have to sit there and dig out everything. All right, let's head over to the mulch. So right over there, you can see there's the pile, all that material right there all turns into this. All that material turns into this. You can see it's just a combination of twigs, sticks, leaves, different plants. There could be 1,000 different types of plant life in here. So this is gonna be excellent. And the sizes, it's not your standard wood chips where you have just a bunch of bark nuggets. This is such a diversity. It will not only break down really quick, this will insulate your plants from the heat, from the cold. It's helping the environment by reusing all the green waste. So everybody should be doing this. This alone, you could survive by growing your own food, these free resources. All right, let's get out of here, folks. Okay, folks, so we're back at the house. I got the compost and the mulch, so we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle this around. Okay, so we're down here in my garden, and you can see, let me show you, down here, the mulch is almost gone. We're down to the dirt. Now, that's not good. We wanna have our soil covered. I prefer about 3 inches of mulch. You can see it's completely gone. So this is when you wanna add that thick mulch layer. So we're starting with the compost. I'm gonna sprinkle this just like I'm doing. I'm just gonna dust a layer over the entire garden. The roots of this peach tree can grow way out here, so we wanna make sure we're fertilizing, composting, and mulching at least like 5 feet out. So we're gonna go through, we can just dump some piles. So again, not only can you use this as a top dressing, but we can also use this as a soil amendment. I'll mix it with the native soil and we can grow plants using this compost. Okay, so now we have the shredded wood chips, the wood mulch. This will go on top. I want to actually pick up the stepping stone because it's too low on the ground right now. I want to put some mulch down first and then lay the stepping stone back down. I do this 2 or 3 times per year. So you can see how thick it's going on, about 2 or 3 inches thick. And we're applying this 2 or 3 times per year. You'll be surprised how quickly all this stuff breaks down. Very, very quickly. Once you water it, everything will start breaking this down. I did this just a few months ago and it completely all disappeared. All this material just turns into soil. Your plants will love it. Your garden will love it. All the insects and microbes will be very happy. Okay guys, so I'm here in the front yard where I park my cars. We have a bunch of plants here. So again, this is a way to fertilize and add organic nutrients for all your plants. Right here, these are blackberries and blueberries. So this stuff goes pretty quickly. I could have got more because I actually used up all of my mulch and all of my compost. All right guys, so I got everything laid down, compost, mulch. Now you want to water everything really good. Soak it in, let all those particles kind of settle. Look how nice it looks too. Everything's got a kind of uniform look. Your plants will love it. Coming into the summer months, your watering bill will really decrease. You won't have to water as much. Right here, there's a citrus tree, apple tree, peach tree. So all of these trees are gonna be really happy with mulch and that little bit of compost. So I'm gonna soak this for a while, make sure everything's really soaked in really well. So anyway, guys, that's how you do it. Survival gardening, part 1. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Survival Gardening series. So in the meantime, get out there, keep growing organic, and make sure you're stocked up in case there's ever any food crisis. And get planting now. Get your organic garden started. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click like, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Okay guys, take a look at this. Here's all the tomatoes finished off with the mulch. Things looking good.